Hello, how are you? I'm hoping you are very well. I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this rose, special for Princess Bella. In the description of this video, I'm going to share the link in case you want to make our Princess Bella. Let's see the materials we will need. We will need green yarn for the leaves and red for the rose. A 2.5 mm hook, scissor, wool needle, pins. I will use spray to harden the rose. This is a hairspray. If you have another product to support the yarn, it will be ideal. This is what I have at home. You can see the abbreviations that we will use in the description of this video. Then let's start. We start making the rose with red yarn and we will make 21 chains. When we already have 21 chains, we will start in the third chain with 4 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3 chain here. We start with 4 double crochet in the same base, 1 double crochet, 2, 3 and 4. Let's keep 1 chain and in the next 1 single crochet. Now we will repeat 8 times, 2 chains, 5 double crochet in the same base, skip 1 chain and in the next 1 single crochet. 1, 2 chains and in the same base here 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 1 chain and in the next 1 single crochet. And we will continue repeating the same 7 times more. Now we can cut the yarn, leaving long thread. And with a wool needle, look how this rose is formed. We sew until the rose is secured. We have already finished the rose. Let's start with her leaves. And we make the leaves with green yarn. And we start with 11 chain. When we already have 11 chain, we start in the second chain, taking the back loops. And we will make 6 slip stitch. 1, 2 here, 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And in the second chain, we will start with 1 single crochet. 1, 2 here, 1 single crochet. In the next, 1/2 double crochet. 1 double crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, and now 5 slip stitch. 1 here, you can see, and now the rest 4 back loops. 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see the result. Let's continue. 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. And we start in the second chain with 1 single crochet. 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet here in the last slip stitch of this string. And we will repeat the same 2 times more. 3 chains, 1 single crochet in the second chain, taking the back loops, remember, 1/2 double crochet, and 1 single crochet. In the same base, the last slip stitch of the stem. We will repeat the same one more time. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet in the second chain, taking the back loops, 1/2 double crochet, and 1 single crochet in the same base. Well, you can make 1 slip stitch, is better for the end. You can cut the yarn, leaving a long yarn for sew with the rows. It's ready. Then let's make the union with the rows. You can see how it's very easy. We will toughen it up a bit only if you want it. It is optional. It has already dried. You can see the result. Let's see Bella with these rows. It's beautiful. I really like it. I hope you like it, and if it's like that, please let me know on the comments. And let me see your result. By Instagram or Facebook, in the description of this video, I will share the links. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. I really appreciate it. Until next time, bye bye.